In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly move your website from Bluehost to HostGator. Whether you're looking to upgrade your hosting provider or just wanting a fresh start with a different service, we'll guide you through the entire process. So let's dive in and keep it straightforward and easy to follow. First, let's start with backing up your website files and database from Bluehost. This is a crucial part of the process to ensure no data is lost or overlooked during the transfer. Begin by logging into your Bluehost account, and once you're there, navigate to your file manager. Within the file manager, you'll need to locate the directory where your website files are stored. Typically, for WordPress sites, these files are housed in a folder named public/l. To back up these files, select all of them, and with just a click on the download option, save these to your local computer. Next, let's focus on your database. Head over to the database section within your Bluehost dashboard and find php_myadmin. Open it up, select your website's database, and once that's done, click Export. Remember to save the exported database file on your computer as well. With both your files and database safely backed up, we're halfway through our journey. Now let's shift to HostGator. After logging into your HostGator cPanel, find the file manager. It's a straightforward task to upload your backed up files here. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use an FTP client. With your files uploaded, it's time to get that database in place. Under the Databases section of the cPanel, you'll find php_myadmin once more. Open it up, and this time navigate to the Import tab. This function will allow you to upload the database you exported from Bluehost. The next step requires a bit of editing. We need to update your wp-config.php file with your new database details. The wp-config.php file contains the database connection information which must point to your new HostGator database. You'll need to replace the database name, username, and password fields with your new HostGator credentials. Our last major step involves ensuring that your domain is correctly pointing to your new HostGator servers. This involves changing your domain's DNS settings, which can typically be done through your domain registrar's dashboard. You'll want the DNS to feature the HostGator nameservers. This change can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, though it often happens much quicker. The final check is to test your website. Open up your browser and navigate to your domain. Everything should load just as